Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to review the products from the brand Dot and Key, and these are the two skincare products that I'm going to talk about. One is the Dot and Key Night Reset Retinol and Ceramide Sleep Treatment Cream, and this is enriched with hibiscus and sea buckthorn berry. And the other product is the Dot and Key Time Reverse Sleep Mask. This is the Youth Restore Overnight Rescue Mask, and this is enriched with pomegranate and ginseng. So I'll be reviewing these two products today. Let's start with the Night Reset Retinol and Ceramide Sleep Treatment Cream. It is supposed to be used at the night time. It mentions that it fights against the dark spots and it also smoothens out your wrinkles. This is what the outer packaging of the product looks like. I really love the packaging. It is very pretty, I must say. All the ingredients that are present in this product are mentioned on the back of the outer packaging. I have used both these products together. First I apply this retinol and ceramide cream, and then I apply this time reverse sleep mask onto my face. This is the last step in my skincare routine. Now first let's talk about the Night Reset Retinol and Ceramide Cream. Retinol and Ceramide Sleep Treatment Cream, it retails for rupees 945, and the Time Reverse Sleep Mask, it retails for rupees 1295. This is what the Dot and Key Retinol and Ceramide Cream looks like. I think the packaging is very cute and it looks really pretty, and you do get a separator inside. This is what the cream looks from inside, and it smells horrible. It smells like some sort of detergent, and I just don't like the smell of this cream. It also comes with a spatula so that you can scoop out the cream and apply on your face. This cream contains hibiscus and sea buckthorn berry. Now hibiscus is something which is rich in antioxidants called anthocyanosides. They help to reduce the appearance of large pores, and then they give you a smoother appearance for your skin. Hibiscus is easily suitable for skin that is very sensitive. Hibiscus also contains gentle acids that have a sort of exfoliating effect on your skin. And not only does this help with the age spots, but overall hibiscus can be used for an all-around smoother, fresher and younger looking complexion. Now the other ingredient that is present inside this cream is sea buckthorn berry. Now sea buckthorn berry is a small berry that grows on shrubs, and it is found in the cold mountains of Asia and Europe. And there are two types of sea buckthorn oil, one that is extracted from the fruit pulp and that is called the fruit oil, and the other that is extracted from the seed and that is called the seed oil. And both of these oils, they deliver fantastic skin benefits. Now the seed oil, it contains omega-3, omega-6 and omega-9, and it is an ideal oil for dry and the aging skin. While the fruit oil, it contains omega-6 and omega-7, and it is appropriate for repairing the damaged skin. It works to soothe the inflammation and the irritated skin that you have. The vitamin C content that is present inside the sea buckthorn is approximately 12 times than that of the orange fruit. Vitamin C has the ability to brighten the skin spots and pigmentation, and sea buckthorn oil is also known for its healing properties and its hydration properties, as well as production of more collagen that helps to plump your skin and smooth your fine lines and wrinkles. Now the other ingredient that is present inside this cream is retinol. Now retinol is something which is known to increase cell turnover, and retinol also stimulates collagen and elastic production. Retinol can also increase the appearance of firmness of your skin by plumping up the fine lines and the wrinkles. It can improve uneven skin tone, skin imperfections. It can treat pigmentations, and retinol can also smooth the surface of your skin. Most of the dermatologists, they recommend introducing retinols in your mid-20s, especially if you have acne prone skin and if you have blemishes on your skin, and also if you suffer from breakouts or pigmentation. It is best to use retinol for 3 months and then take a 3-month break when you're using a retinol. And retinol is something which should be applied in the night time, and if you're using retinol, then you should skip the other exfoliators like the AHAs and BHAs, which are the alpha hydroxy acids and the beta hydroxy acids, because retinol in itself is enough for your skin. Combining AHAs and BHAs with retinol can actually cause skin irritation. So you should not mix AHAs and BHAs with retinol. Always apply a sunscreen when you are using retinol based creams or serums. Now this cream also contains ceramides. Now ceramides are lipids or fats which are naturally found on the uppermost layers of the skin in very high concentrations. Ceramides make up 50% of the skin's composition. They play a vital role in determining how young your skin looks. Now a very important question that arises is that if we have naturally occurring ceramides on our skin, then why do we need ceramides in the skincare product? Now what happens is that age and the sun damage, they reduce the effectiveness of the natural ceramides that are present on our skin. The results are drier, rougher and irritated skin, and you get to see the visible signs of dehydration. Now ceramides are most effective when they're combined with other skin replenishing ingredients like glycerin and fatty acids and cholesterol. Normally the ceramide enriched skincare products, they should also contain antioxidants like retinol, niacinamides, linoleic acids and peptides, which are also most commonly referred to as skin restoring ingredients. Now the other ingredient that is present inside this cream is hyaluronic acid. Now hyaluronic acid, as we all know, helps in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid also retains moisture, creating a very plumping effect on your skin. Hyaluronic acid has got this stunning capacity to attract and to hold 1000 times its weight in moisture. It works over time in replenishing your skin and it enhances your skin. It gives you a very healthy and a supple look. Hyaluronic acid also helps in improving the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles on your skin. I generally like to apply this Night Reset Retinol Ceramide Sleep Treatment Cream at night. The first thing that I noticed when I applied this cream was that it has got very strong perfume added to it, and that smell is not at all pleasant. However, it has got a very lightweight consistency and the cream is very smooth. It gets absorbed into your skin quickly and your skin actually looks very youthful and plump the moment you apply this cream, and it gives you a brightened effect. When you wake up in the morning, you get to see a very brightened and youthful looking skin, which I absolutely loved. However, I did not notice any major changes in my fine lines or wrinkles, and even it did not help in fading the dark spots or pigmentation on my face. This is a good night cream if you're looking for something which can give you a brightened effect, which can plump up your skin and give you an overall soft, smoother looking skin. It is not going to work on the blemishes that you have or the dark spots that you have. This product slightly disappointed me because it did not live up to its high claims of reducing the fine lines, wrinkles and dark spots or pigmentation. Otherwise, this is a decent cream if you want a bright, youthful looking skin for yourself. The amount of perfume that has been added in this cream, it does not allow you to use this cream on a daily basis. The smell is really strong and the smell stays for quite some time. It does not vanish away quickly, so that is something which is quite bothering to me, and I don't like heavily fragranced creams at night. Will I recommend this cream to all of you? I don't think I will recommend this cream because I'm not very much impressed by this cream. Apart from giving me a brightened effect, this cream does not give any other effects to my skin. Now let's talk about the Dot and Key Time Reverse Sleep Mask, and this is the Youth Restore Overnight Rescue Mask with pomegranate and ginseng, and it also contains rosehip oil, and you're supposed to apply it at night. This should be the last step in your skincare routine. When you applied all the creams, you should apply the mask as the last step of your skincare routine. Both these products contain hyaluronic acid. Both these products contain perfume, retinols and ceramides, so there's not a major change in the ingredients. What additional that has been added in this Time Reverse Sleep Mask is rosehip seed oil, pomegranate fruit extract, nettle leaf extract, ginseng extract and jojoba oil. The two most important ingredients that are present inside this is pomegranate and ginseng. Now pomegranate and its extract have antioxidant properties, therefore they help in improving the appearance of your wrinkled skin. And ginseng that is present inside this cream has got anti-aging properties. It is packed packed with phytonutrients known to increase the skin's metabolism. Ginseng is also effective in increasing the production of collagen, in forming your skin, in toning your skin, and plumping up your skin and diminishing the fine lines and wrinkles. Both these products can be used if you are in your late 20s or early 30s, and this is not meant for skin if you are in your early 20s. This is what the packaging of the sleep mask looks like. I really like the packaging. It is also pink in color. This mask is very soft and smooth, and I really love applying this mask on my face at night. Now it also comes with a spatula. This time reverse sleep mask also hydrates my skin, gives me a youthful plump looking skin, and I really love the effects of this mask when I wake up in the morning, and my skin looks really hydrated and brightened with regular use of this sleep mask. Apart from giving me a youthful and brightened and hydrated look, these two products don't give me any other results. Neither have I seen any reduction in my dark spots or pigmentation or fine lines, so I don't think I would recommend these products to you if you're looking for products which can give you anti-aging benefits. Amongst these two, I was more impressed with the time reverse sleep mask rather than with the retinol and ceramide sleep treatment cream. You can give the youth mask a try because I really like the effects of this mask, but the retinol and ceramide cream, I was not happy with this product, so I will not recommend this product to any one of you. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.